Modals are a unique feature of Antilles that allow you to create your own pop-up message on your web page. When editing a page, click on the Insert Modal Pop-up plugin. In the window, type in a unique ID for your modal. This has to start with a letter and cannot contain any spaces. Then type in a title or a name. The title is used for accessibility purposes. Click OK, and the modal template will be inserted into your content. Now you can insert your own text for the title and content for your pop-up modal. You will see a useful reference of the modal ID and a reminder about the Open Modal link. In the box below, type in text that will become the anchor text for the link. Highlight this text, then click the Insert Link button. In the URL box, type in a hashtag symbol and then your modal ID. From the Class menu, choose Open Modal and save. Save your page. Let's see what we did. Navigate to your updated page with the modal link. As you can see in our example, we now have a fully accessible and stylish modal pop-up.